for you to type that extra word. If you are confused between the spelling of a certain word, like you are confused in two different spellings, you feel that either Adelaide is spelled like this or Adelaide is spelled like this. If you're confused in the spellings, you can put both in that case, because you will get marks for the correct one and they will ignore the one which was incorrect. They don't deduct any marks for adding any extra words. There's no negative marking in right from dictation, by the way. So that is where it will help you, because you were confused in two, you put both. Another common place where you can use this is for singular plural scenario. Sometimes they speak out a word, but we are confused. Was it a singular word or was it a plural word? Okay, apple or apples. If you're confused, obviously you can read out the sentence, and using that you can also figure out grammatically, should it be a singular word or a plural word. But if you're still confused, you can put both. Again, the same rule, they will give you the marks for the correct one and they will not deduct marks for the incorrect one. So that is where we can use that to our advantage. And another place would be past present. Okay, sometimes we know that the words end with D or ED, sometimes they do not. All depends on what did they speak in a sentence. Again, we can use that to our advantage. Conserve or conserved. Sometimes the sound is not that subtle and it's not clearly understandable by us. In that case, we can put both and we will get marks for the correct one and they will not deduct marks for the incorrect one. So long story short, use this strategy at only the places where you actually have to, like emergency situations. Do not overdo it and do not just do it for the sake of doing. If you're 100% sure for the sentence of the words, you don't need to add any extra words. But if you're confused in certain places, you can definitely use it to your benefit.